In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DoorDash Virtual Card. If you've ever paid with a regular credit or debit card on DoorDash, this will feel immediately familiar. A virtual card works the same way at checkout. The only difference is that your card number comes from a banking app or card provider instead of a physical card. I'll walk you through the flow and share a few quick tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by adding items to your cart. Open the DoorDash app or website, browse restaurants or stores, and choose the items you want. Take a moment to confirm options like size, sauces, or add-ons, and double-check your delivery address near the top so your order goes to the right place. It's a good idea to review the subtotal, delivery fee, taxes, and any promotions before moving on. When everything looks right, you're ready for the next part. Tap Checkout. This brings up your order summary. Look over the items again, confirm the delivery or pickup method, and add delivery instructions if needed, like a gate code or where to leave the order. Verifying these details now can help prevent delays later. When you get to payment, select credit or debit card as your payment method. Even though you're using a virtual card, this is exactly where you'll enter it. If you see another payment method selected by default, simply switch it to credit debit card so you can type in your virtual details. Now enter your virtual card details carefully. You'll need the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing zip or address associated with that virtual card. Copying and pasting from your virtual card provider can help avoid typos, but double-check spacing and digits before continuing. If your virtual card is single-use or has a temporary number, make sure it's still valid and has enough available funds to cover the full order total, including fees and tip. Also, ensure the billing address matches what your card issuer has on file, as mismatches can cause declines. Finally, tap Pay or Place Order. Keep the app open for a moment while DoorDash processes the payment and shows your order confirmation. You'll see the estimated delivery time and can track the order in real time from the Orders tab. If you happen to get a payment error, review the card details, confirm the billing zip, and check whether your virtual card has spending limits or online transaction restrictions enabled. That's it. The entire process is the same as using a regular card. Add your items, proceed to checkout, pick credit, debit card, enter your virtual card details, and place the order with confidence.